Okay, lona ngupart 3 wethu. My previous part 2 besithetha phansi kwe-relationship Kurt Matlala no-Minister Mchunu as bokutestifya witness C. Lona ngi-relationship still witness C, but i-relationship Kurt Matlala no-General Sibiya uba yaqala njani. So ithi lento i-relationship yabo yaqala phansi koba u-General Sibiya wayengumuntu wayemane esiya eplasini lika Mr. Msibi. uMr. Msibi ongumswazi owaziwa njengomswazi. Umswazi wayeyitaxi owner sekatshona okuthiwa wayengabulali wayenomuntu phansi. So utsho ke unto uwitness uba uKurt Matlala wamchazela into yoba bongangeni nabani kwela plasi, bongenwa ngezibongo. So cacile ke no-General Sibiya isibongo sakhe besimvumela into bangene kweli plasi likabani lika Mr. Msibi. Hayi ke uye waya wabe uyatshona uMr. Msibi. I-relationship Kurt Matlala no-General Sibiya iqala ngoba makutshone umswazi. Uthi xa iqala wathi uGeneral Sibiya kuye, okay, now that sokutshone umswazi, you will scratch my back and I'll scratch yours. Uthi lendo, now that sokutshone umswazi, you will take care of me and I'll take care of you. Yaqala njalo relationship yabo. So in a way ke wangumuntu ngathi bazakhuselana ngendlela bazakhuselana ngazo. Omnye uzamnikeza certain protection maybe from umgilamkhupha uzafumana protection yeside la sesiphoyiseni, of which ke ngoku lo wasesiphoyiseni onguGeneral Sibiya uzawubhatalwa ngubani? nguKurt. Uthi uKurt ebembhatala monthly imali around 500,000 ebhatala uGeneral Sibiya to about R1 million a month ke phofu. Uthi uze wasenzela umzekelo nangelinye ilanga whereby I think kwakuzawutshata umntana kaGeneral Sibiya. uKurt Matlala wabhadala uGeneral Sibiya imali engange 300,000 akayithatha wayaze wayishiya phi? Wayishiya kwi-dustbin. Imagine 300,000 kuthiwa ifakwe emgqobeni eofisini kaGeneral Sibiya. Kuwukuthi uGeneral Sibiya ula usemehlweni like ula nguclever, akafuni izi-transaction ezizashiya i-evidence, electronic transfers, ufuna imali cash. So one time yaze lo mali leyo yabe izasiwa phi? Izasiwe ofisini yakhe, but ngokwesiqhelo imali yakhona ibisiwa kwaGeneral Sibiya, but bebehamba bame ngakwisekile kube khona umuntu ozaza azocollecta le mali. So one of abantu bamenshiniwe ke ngoku ezuba naye beke collect imali for uGeneral Sibiya nguSergeant F.E. Nkosi. Nguye umuntu bekemane thini ezokoleka le mali. So ingathi bebehamba baye bascoute bame ngakulo sekile leyo kuze umuntu ezozolanda imali ngoba uGeneral ebengafuni umuntu phina kwakhe. Inyobe bisaqala ke le relationship ngoba ithe xa phiqina khona nanku uKurt ebekwazi nokuthini aze invite ahambe ayephi aye nesemitshatweni. Mbuzeni ba wayehamba ngani uKurt mhlesiye emtshatweni? ngeRolls Royce. Mhlesi emtshatweni kabani? Kanyana kaGeneral Sibiya. So le 300,000 ngasiyazi noba ivele ngathi yeyokumncedisa, singazi noba yi-gift of ayini, but 300,000 cash. Phofu ke phansi koba akuna trail of evidence yezimali bebebhatala nazona. Lena ikhona kancinci because uthi withdrawa i-500,000 uKurt kukuthi i-300,000 wayisakhona, then i-200,000 ke noba yamanye amabaka. Phofu ke ikhona i-recording yale conversation ngoba uKurt Matlala waseketwera ku-witness A no B no C. Bemane bembuza ke nabo imibuzo naye amane ecula. Ikhona nalapho eveze khona into yoba ingathi he bought his way for leya tender ye 360 million through uGeneral Sibiya. So i-relationships zapho nje zilapho nje as a result ke phansi koba uye wabona ba xa sebebona into akasafumani lento akayifunayo naye uzacula. I think iseke because kukhona lapho mamelani ke apho esenza ethetha khona into yoba uyamosaba naye enguKurt Matlala uyamosaba uGeneral Sibiya. Uze unegama kabizwa ngalo kuthiwa ngubani? Pitbull. kuthiwa hayi into enemali phakathi, kuthiwa indlela akathanda ngayo imali uGeneral Sibiya uyeka noba yini beke yenza uyiyeka once kuthethwe ngomcimbi wemali okanye ngomcimbi abamele kuyokolekwa imali ngendlela akayithanda ngayo. As a result andikho sure noba beseke zama ukuzenza i-state witness na uKate Matlala, because kukhona apho ivela khona into engathi uthi uza player along nabo bona bo General Sibiya ke noba no Minister Mchunu, because especially ka Minister Mchunu ngoba uyamosaba unobungozi, uza player along naye, but ngoba akafuna into bamazi into ba seke on the other side, akasekho se side labo, akasadlaleli la team leyana. Hayibo kukhona apho self uKate Matlala esithi uGeneral Sibiya he's a criminal himself.
The payments, the alleged payments to General Sibiya happened after Mr. Msibi had passed on. And I say so because it reads, he described General, after the old man, Mr. Msibi, also known as Mswazi, died, General Sibiya came to him and said, Mswazi is no longer here, please take care of me and I will take care of you. He understood this as a reference to financial support, so he would give him payments of 500,000 rand at a time. This reads to convey that the payments started only after Mr. Sibiya died. Is that Mr. Msibi? Oh dear God, did I just kill General Sibiya? Is that your understanding of that relationship, that the payments, the alleged payments to General Sibiya began only after Mr. Msibi passed away?
Thank you, Commissioners. When we started when he started talking about General Sibiya, he kept on saying that General Sibiya is a criminal himself. And I believe that when he says that the old man is no longer here, please take care of me, I will also assume that the taking care of him by Mr. Matlala would be that maybe it might be a continuation, or he will be starting to take care of him as the old man had passed. So I will not specifically be sure, as he didn't clarify that point as to whether he only started taking care of him after the passing of Mr. Msibi, or he had been taking care of him prior to the passing of Mr. Msibi, and the general wanted him to continue to do as he had been doing before. My assumption comes only after he had indicated to me that General Sibiya is a criminal himself, and he kept repeating those words.
So Yena is someone who, when you mention money, he stops everything. Because I remember when they gave him money inside his office.
Witness C, in the routine form, please identify the voice that we've heard.
The voice that we have heard is that of Mr. Matlala.
So Yena is someone who, when you mention money, he stops everything. Because I remember when they gave him money inside his office.
Which office?
His office, national office.
What was that?
That's last year, I think. It must have 200,000.